Hello everyone, this is another devlog. I'll show you a little bit of what I'm doing right now. So, how's it going? I made some progress, right? Everything is now really agnostic and centralized. Everything is created on runtime, as you can see here. The way it works is a little bit weird though. Like, if I close it again, open up again. I don't fully understand how it works, to be honest, right now. I want to reset the progress. Go in. So, political power. Right, it works. But if I click this one, also increases this one. So that's really bad. Now it no longer works. And we're gonna figure out why. Every button needs to have its own array index. So let's try to see why that never changes. I think I know why it never changes. Array of policies. This variable should be working. If it goes to another blueprint, yeah, we're getting the whole thing, we're putting in there, and so you should be able to select through there. I don't understand why it's not working. So what you have right here, you're telling, hey, everyone, you're just going here, go into the governance tab and tell all these tabs, hey, I also put this so I can see their index, if it actually works or not. And so you tell everyone here, hey everyone, you all have a number, so I want you to, when I snap my fingers, I want you to remember this number. I want to give you a number. So they're like your soldiers. These soldiers, their task right now is to remember a number. Kind of like, let's say you're a magician, you tell people, hey, can you pick a card, blah blah blah. So kind of like the same thing, right? This is 0 always. So if I click here, I want to see what number this one is now. This is always 0. Why is it not changing and why is it always 0? So I'll click here. This comes from here, alright. It gets the index. Yeah, so the index is the right. But how are we so sure it never changes? Priority. Where's the variable that we've made? Index number. Index number is index number. It's a string. Oh, so it doesn't really work right now. Alright, I know what to do, guys. I know what we're gonna do here. So, yeah, index number. It doesn't have an number. So index number doesn't really have a number yet. So I guess that's the problem. So we need a... So what we need here is an integer. In number, that's all simple, pretty simple, pretty good, pretty all right. There you go here with this, right? So all right, so set int, no, okay, we'll set int number, yep, that's about right, I think. So this is the number that's going to be setting the things there, but it should come from this variable. I know it's complex right now, but it will make sense later. And then we take this one in there. Alright guys. This is saved inside of the array, so it's not working. I want to see what number now it's gonna give us. So giving us 0, but wait a second. We're getting the index number, yeah, but we're not actually getting the int number. Oh, Yeah, we're gonna get here, get int number. Now hopefully this was gonna give us the right number. Alright, so click here. Not in scope, alright. I'll get a new scope. Right, so this is the correct one. Nope, it's the last one. Which one is this? It's the last one. Nope, that doesn't work. It's always the last one. So why is it always the last freaking one? Oh yeah, I think I know why. Uh, so each one must have a different number, right? We're setting the numbers right. Like, look at this. It's properly made, man. So I just want to get the 4 for here, 3 here, 2 here, the 1 here, and the 0 for this one. So we do have these numbers properly made up there. But why is it not using the right numbers? Why is it not using the right numbers? So we click on a button. We just want the index to work. That's all that we want. Come on, guys. Think, think, think. Maybe we should continue on this path right here. Boom. Like this. So array index. Not sure we want to use the array index. So I am sure we do not want to use it, to be honest. Alright. So number 2, what it does is creates always increases that one. Alright, I guess we index 4 for a falsely linked 4. What's the problem here? Oh, is our array empty? Is our array empty? I think it's our array being empty right now. Alright, we can test this theory if it's the fault of our array. Let's go here with this. Local variable 3. How is it 3? Oh, wait. I don't think we're using the right thing. Or are we? 3. Okay, so it's using the last... It's using the last one every time. What if we don't get that? We could make an array. Alright, that's it for now. I'll make an array, try to make an array the next video. That's all for now.